Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're interested in enhancing your health and wellness journey through intermittent fasting, you're in the right place. Today, we'll explore some of the best intermittent fasting apps for Android that can help you track your progress, stay motivated, and make fasting a seamless part of your routine. Let's dive in and see how these tools can support your fasting goals. GoFasting Intermittent Fasting. GoFasting Intermittent Fasting is a comprehensive app designed to help users start and maintain their intermittent fasting journey. The app supports various fasting modes, such as 16:8, 18:6, and 24-hour fasts, allowing users to choose what works best for them. It features a simple and intuitive interface where users can easily track their fasting periods, eating windows, and progress over time. The app also provides helpful resources, including articles, tips, and a community for support. Notifications and reminders help keep users motivated and on track, making GoFasting a great choice for both beginners and experienced fasters. iFasting Fasting Tracker. iFasting Fasting Tracker is another user-friendly app that simplifies intermittent fasting tracking. This app offers customizable fasting plans, allowing users to select their preferred fasting schedule and set goals accordingly. With straightforward tracking features, users can log their fasting and eating times, monitor their progress, and view statistics that help them understand their fasting patterns better. The app also includes reminders to help users stay on track and provides tips for successful fasting. iFasting stands out with its clean design and ease of use, making it a popular option for anyone looking to embrace intermittent fasting. Intermittent Fasting Tracker. Intermittent Fasting Tracker is a versatile app that caters to a wide range of fasting styles and preferences. Users can choose from various fasting methods, including popular options like 16:8 and 5:2, or create custom fasting schedules. The app allows for easy logging of fasting and eating times, and it provides a visual representation of progress through charts and statistics. Additionally, users can set personalized goals, receive motivational reminders, and gain access to nutrition tips and resources. The user-friendly interface and comprehensive features make the intermittent fasting tracker a valuable tool for anyone looking to optimize their fasting experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of top intermittent fasting apps helps you find the perfect companion for your fasting journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Which app are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. See you next time.